My man Vince.
He's in.
Dude, how you been?
Not bad, not bad.
Hey, yesterday I was drinking like no other.
You were drinking.
I was drinking.
But you look so sober today.
You know what? I
Yeah.
woke up, did not feel nothing.
Nothing.
No hangover, no nothing.
Oh, what'd you drink?
We were drinking Moscow Mules. And we drank about like 8 or 9 each.
8 or 9?
Yeah. And I mean, I did get drunk.
Yeah.
But like this morning, like nothing. Like,
Nothing.
I'm good.
I mean, you look good. I wouldn't have noticed.
I think it's a ginger beer.
It's refreshing, right?
Like it's really refreshing.
Oh, wow.
Hey guys, I'm teasing.
And I'm Vince.
It's 5 o'clock. You know what that means.
It's time to drink.
Let's get to it.
E non mi chiedere se tutto a posto tu, piuttosto metti meno ghiaccio al Moscow Mule. Non andare in ansia se non posso più, ti ricordo che non mi hai risposto più, sta finendo l'estate.
Alrighty guys, so in today's episode we're gonna show you how to make the classic, the complex, the fancy
Moscow Mule.
excellent.
Mr. Burns?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah guys, so today we're gonna show you how to make 3 unique versions of the Moscow Mule. The first one is the classic,
After that, we're going to create the kicking mule.
the kicking mule.
The kicking mule.
Does it have a kick to it?
Got some pretty good kicks to it.
Okay. And then we're gonna make the mule at 5.
It's 5
5.
o'clock.
You know what I realized?
What?
I don't know where we are. I don't know if there's no such thing as time for us. It's always 5 for some reason.
Why is that? Why?
I don't know. 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock.
5 o'clock?
5 o'clock.
Oh, crap. Seems like a question for Doctor Who.
Doctor Who, where are you? All right, so let's get started, shall we?
But actually, Teason, before we get started, did you know that the Moscow Mule was not actually created in Russia? Yeah, no, just like the White Russian, not in Russia.
Thought it was in Moscow.
You would think so. But actually, the Moscow Mule was created a few years before the end of the Cold War.
Oh my God.
Now, in the 1940s,
Swear,
there was
this
this
guy
Russian
has
entrepreneur
facts.
named Rudolf
Just keeps
Kunitz.
going on
Now,
and on
Rudolf,
and
he
on.
decided to buy Smirnoff from Russia and bring it over from Russia to the United States.
Honestly, do you care about the
Now,
facts?
Americans really love whiskey,
just wanna
and
make
they
it
didn't
and drink
like vodka. They actually didn't even know. They don't even know what vodka is. Now, that was detrimental to Rudolph because when he tried selling it to the American audience, they absolutely hated it. After a couple of years of trying, Rudolph was actually on the verge of bankruptcy. So, in order to stop bankruptcy, he decided to sell Smirnoff for $14,000 to this American entrepreneur called John Martin. Now, John Martin, you might know him as being the owner of A1 Steak Sauce. I know, small world. Now, John Martin, he didn't want to fall into the same trap as Rudolph. So what he decided to do is he hired the help of this bartender from a restaurant called the Cock and Bull. Now, the Cock and Bull, you can't make this stuff up. So the bartender got to work, but John had one stipulation. This new cocktail has to be called the Smirnoff Mule. I know, right? Now the bartender, he decided to combine some vodka and some ginger beer that everybody hated. Combined the two together, and he actually created a pretty nice drink. And in fact, everyone loved it. Now, that copper cup that's really associated with the Smirnoff, that was John's idea because he wanted to create an icon. He wanted to make this drink iconic. After a bit of advertising with the Hollywood elite, the Smirnoff Mule slowly became the Moscow Mule. I know, right? Teason.
Yep.
Wasn't that fascinating?
Oh yeah, that was
Yeah.
interesting as... Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, who knows? In an alternate universe, Doctor Who maybe, would have been the Smirnoff Mule. I know.
Who knows? But can we get started finally?
Yeah, let's get started.
All right. But let me show you how to make the kicking mule first.
Kicking mule?
The kicking mule.
Oh, okay.
Let's get to it. Alrighty, guys. So for the kicking mule, it's actually super simple. All you're gonna need are 2 ounces of vodka. You're gonna need half an ounce of lime juice. You're gonna need 1 to 2 slices of jalapenos, 1 sprig of mint, and finally, some ginger beer. That's it. Let me show you how. So first, you're gonna need a shaker, and then you're gonna take 2 ounces of vodka, and we're using Smirnoff. 2 ounces vodka, and then you're gonna take about 2 to 3 slices of jalapenos. Drop that in there, and half a lime. You're just gonna squeeze that right in so you can get all the juices Perfect. And once that's complete, you're gonna take a muddler and you're just gonna muddle it. You're gonna smash it in so all the aroma and all the juices can mix. All right. So once you have that muddled, you're just gonna move that to the side for now, and you're gonna grab your copper cup. Just like that. Excellent. Now here, we're using a black copper cup because something different, you know? And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a lime wedge, you're gonna coat the sides, and you're gonna add some salt. Take your salt, just dip that in so the sides can get coated. Just like that. Put that over there. And now you're gonna take some ice and you're gonna drop that right in. Once you have your ice in, you're gonna take your vodka that you infused and you're just gonna pour that right in there. And now you're gonna take 5 to 6 mitten leaves, just gonna get them off the stem, and you're just gonna put it on the palm of your hands and give it a slap. You do this so that the aromas can come out and it'll bring out the freshness. Once you have that, you're just gonna break it up and put that right in. Perfect. Final step, super simple. Grab ginger beer. You're just gonna fill it to the top. Just like so. And guys, to garnish, you're gonna take a couple limes, drop it in, along with 1 piece or 2 pieces of jalapenos. And guys, there you have it. That is the kicking mule.
Whoa. Thank you, teasing. All right. Well, the kicking mule, spicy and amazing. But you know what? Let's take it back to the classic, the way that was intended to be made. Now for the classic Moscow Mule, you only need a few ingredients. 2 ounces of vodka, 1/6 of an ounce of lime juice, and to top it off, about 5 to 6 ounces of ginger beer. That easy, that simple, let's begin. Classic Moscow Mule, let's begin. First things first, grab our copper cup. But before we really get started, we want to take a lime wedge and coat the outside with lime. Now the lime really acts as an adhesive to the salt. Perfect. Put it off to the side, and let's grab our salt. Take your copper cup. It should look something like this. Put our salt off to the side, and let's begin with 2 ounces of vodka as it was intended. Drop that right in there. After that, take about 4 to 6 lime wedges and squeeze the juice right in there. Perfect. After that, we're gonna grab about 5 to 6 mint leaves, put it in the palm of your hand, and give it a good slap. As Teasen said, the slap really brings out the smells. It brings out the aromas. And smell, very important to the drink. Cut them up and drop them into the drink. Last but not least, we're gonna grab some ginger beer, and you know what? Fill it up all the way to the top. Now as a garnish, grab a couple of lime wedges and drop them right in there. And guys, it's a classic Moscow Mule.
Alrighty, guys.
Oh, wow.
So, those were 2 amazing mules. You got the classic Moscow Mule,
You got the kicking mule.
and now we're gonna show you the best one yet. This is the Mule at 5.
How'd you do that?
Magic.
Okay.
Thank you, editor. Anyways, so for this, you're gonna need 2 ounces of vodka.
1.5 ounces of melon liqueur.
You're gonna need 1.5 ounces of strawberry syrup.
1.5 ounces of raspberry puree.
You're gonna need some mint leaves, and finally, some ginger beer.
Oh,
That's it.
that sounds refreshing.
It's actually really good. Let me show you how you make it. Alrighty, guys. So for this, super simple actually. You're gonna grab a bigger Mule glass. Now right here we have a 16 ounce. Just gonna pop that right here. And you're gonna take 2 ounces of vodka. Pour that right in there. Nice. And you're gonna take 1.5 ounces of Melon Liqueur. And now you're gonna take 1.5 ounces of Raspberry Puree. Just like that. And finally, some Strawberry Puree. And now you're gonna take about 5 to 6 mint leaves and give it a good slap. You do this so that you can get all the aromas. This one, all you do is just drop it right in. And guys, final step, take some ginger beer. All you're gonna do is just fill it up. But first, put some ice. Now, take some ginger beer, pour it right in. And finally, for some garnish, you're gonna take some mint leaves. Again, give it a good slap. And you're just gonna plop it right in, like so. And guys, there you have it, the Mule at 5. Well guys, there you have it. 3 unique ways of creating the Moscow Mule.
Look at them, teasing. I mean, look at them.
They just look delightful.
Oh man.
And refreshing.
Everyone has a mint profile. Yeah.
Now, right here, you got the Kicking Mule.
Yes.
Now, since it has the jalapenos, it gives it a little kick. You got a little bit of that spice.
That's where the kick comes from. All right, there you go.
And not gonna lie, it is very refreshing.
It's spicy, it's great.
But it's not too spicy.
No.
It's the right amount.
It has a hint of a green tone. Like the color, it's a little green. I like it.
And then we have the classic Moscow Mule. It's
Not
the
bad.
classic, the one that you can get anywhere, no matter where you are.
It was
You
the
ask
way
for a
the
Moscow
creator
Mule.
intended it to be. Yes.
And finally, we have the Mule at 5.
You might notice, this is the only one that doesn't have lime. It doesn't have lime in there.
Lime or salt.
Yeah, both.
But then again, that is a more fruity.
Ooh, so it's like more tropical. I like it.
It's a more tropical one.
Now, Teason, can I ask, which one's your favorite?
Not gonna lie, I do like the Mule at 5.
The Mule at 5?
Yes.
Yeah?
It's just the right amount of, right amount of refreshment plus like it's fruity too.
What do you envision when you take a sip?
It's hard to explain. It's like it's like I'm drinking juice, but at the same time, it's like
It's got a kick to
it has a kick to it.
Kind of like
And
like a seltzer?
somewhat like a seltzer.
Okay.
So it would be like, yeah, somewhat like that.
Something like a seltzer?
Yeah, but like the ginger beer really brings out the taste of.
I love, like, you know what? No matter what, ginger beer and everything, it brings snap to it. It brings a whole
ginger
new
beer
life.
is really good. Plus, it's good for hangovers.
Yeah, this guy can attest.
Right here. How about you? Which one's your favorite?
Hands down, Kicking Mule. You know, we're Indian. We like spice. It's not too spicy, but it's just enough to add another layer, another element to the drink. Yeah.
It's very refreshing, right? Even though it has a little kick.
Oh my god.
It's good.
Like, it wakes you up. Like, the salt on the sides. Oh my god. It has that
Combined
umami
with that.
sensation. Oh my god. I'm like, I
Opens your senses.
opens my senses. It makes me thirstier, so I need to go back for more.
Well, there you have it, guys. 3 unique ways of creating the Moscow Mule.
That's right.
Yep. So, if you like what you saw, don't forget to smash that like button.
And if you want to be notified for future content, don't forget to hit subscribe.
Until next time, guys, I'm Teasin.
And I'm Vince.
It's 5 o'clock, and we're out.
Cheers, brother. Cheers.